Headline: Prime Miharja Condo, 961 SF high floor, fully furnished, 5 min to LRT, near TRX, excellent investment. Description: discover a perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and superb investment potential in this impeccably maintained 961 square feet condominium in the highly sought-after Miharja, Cheras. Strategically positioned, this high-floor unit offers unparalleled accessibility. Just a 5-minute walk to the Cochrane/Maluri LRT Station, placing the entire city at your fingertips. Easy access to major highways, MRR2, Cheras-Kajang Highway, for seamless connectivity. Proximity to the future Tun Razak Exchange, TRX, Kuala Lumpur's new international financial district, ensuring strong future capital appreciation. Live a hassle-free lifestyle in a fully furnished unit that is clean, move-in ready, and flooded with natural light. Enjoy peace of mind with excellent security, 24/7 guarded, access card entry, in a well-managed development with good management. Condo facilities include a swimming pool, gym, playground, and more, catering to all lifestyles. The unit comes with one dedicated car park and is celebrated for its clean and safe environment, making it ideal for families, professionals, and investors alike. Why this is a smart investment: high rental demand. Its fantastic location near LRT and amenities makes it easy to get reliable tenants. Low maintenance. The unit and building are well maintained, minimizing owner headaches. Strong capital growth. Proximity to TRX and ongoing urban development promises excellent long-term value. This is more than a home. It's a secure and lucrative investment opportunity. Contact now to view before it's gone. Option 2. Concise and punchy for social media short ads. Ultimate lifestyle and investment gem in Miharja. Location. 961 SF, high floor, fully furnished, 5-min walk to Cochrane LRT, short drive to Tun Razak Exchange, TRX, easy highway access, never stuck in traffic. Live in comfort and security. Clean, well-maintained unit with great views. 24/7 security and access card, safety first. Full condo facilities, pool, gym, etc. One car park included. Renowned good management, no dramas. Investor's dream, highly sought-after area, easy to get tenants. Consistent rental yield, clean, safe, and move-in ready for premium rental. Future-proof with TRX development nearby. Perfect for owner-occupiers seeking convenience or investors wanting a hassle-free, high-demand asset. For more information and viewing, please contact Sunny Hand, phone +60 162 187571, or email sunnycop2@gmail.com.